Alright, today I'm going to let you watch some lettuce grow again. This is just an update about the lettuce that I started. Tomorrow will be exactly 60 days. So let's go back to right after the last video. I did, I had this bok choy growing in the tent down there that I brought upstairs, and we're getting ready to have that for dinner there. And you can see I grabbed a couple of spinach. The spinach really has not done that great. For some reason it didn't like the soil, and I only got one Chinese cabbage, and it's got a little dry spot in the middle I had to pick out, but otherwise it was really good. So I'm just going to get these ready for dinner and just clean them up a little bit. You can see this Purple Lady bok choy just came out amazing. Really great flavor and great color and everything. And I brought up some more cilantro and some basil and stuff. We like having this little light upstairs, and there's everything all cleaned up for stir fry. And we did a quick chicken stir fry for dinner with it, and that was real tasty and good. And this is about 2.5 weeks ago. Looking in there at the lettuce, you can see everything's still doing good. Never had lettuce grow like this before. Every year we started under the lights, but we never had this commercial light and grow tent before. And about every 3 days we pick a batch of lettuce like this, some of its heads, and you can see there's some of the romaine, the Parris Island romaine, and you can see the heads are pretty big. They won't get any bigger in these little cups, I don't think. So you'd really have to put it up in pots to, get bigger stuff. But, we've been, for like about 5.5 weeks now, I'd say, we've had a constant supply of fresh lettuce and fresh salads. And, here's a couple days later again, you can see the just the colors and the flavor of this lettuce. It's just amazing. We've really been enjoying it. And we've been using a lot of our, pickled habanadas and, pickled beets and the dehydrated tomatoes and roasted red peppers and stuff with it. So really makes some great salads. And there you can see the kale is really doing good now. It's starting to get big. And every time I take some lettuce out, I spread the rest out a little bit. So, it's still pretty full in there. And this was probably about a week ago. You can see the kale. I was really amazed that the kale did this well. It's really getting nice out. And it is nice also having the this little grow light upstairs. Here's a kale. I moved that upstairs because my wife's going to make soup out of it soon. And it's really nice having some of this fresh stuff upstairs too. The spinach, as I said, didn't do too good. The basil's just starting to pick up. It didn't really like the grow lights. And the cilantro in the back there, we've been using that in our salsa. It's been a really great treat to just pick some and throw it in when we open a jar of salsa. Really great. It adds great flavor to it and stuff. And I've really got to say that that grow tent set up in a little bit better commercial quality light did make a big difference. Here's some more lettuce a couple days later, and see another bag full for a couple days worth of salads and really tasty sandwiches and stuff like that. And I've been just trying to make all different types of salads and been enjoying them. So then we'll go up to yesterday. I just opened the tent up here to grab some more make some more salads, and you can see this is pretty much what was left in there yesterday, and it's just all doing amazing. There are some spots on the leaves that are getting a little bit dry now. You can see the heads forming back there. But you have to pick them off, and it's that fan that I put in there. It's just a little bit big for the enclosure, so I'm going to have to do something with that in the future, a smaller fan. And there's a batch I picked out for to clean up, and this is what's left in there now. And hopefully this will give us another couple weeks of fresh lettuce as it it grows and we use it, and make some more room in there. And the tent's been working great in my cool basement. I keep that bottom vent open, that side vent open, and I open up this window during the day to let the heat out, and it really seems to circulate the air and work out good. So there's another batch I picked yesterday. You can just see the colors of this stuff, and the flavor is just amazing. I've really been enjoying it. And the kale, like I said, tomorrow my wife's making a big pot of kale soup up, so that'll all be gone tomorrow, and she's real happy to have that. And The basil will be making some margarita pizza soon with the dehydrated tomatoes that we did last year. We find out that they rehydrate, really have great flavor, so we're going to try that out. And as I said, the spinach didn't do that great, and the cilantro is, it doesn't look that good, but it's really flavorful and tasty. So there's another bag full of lettuce to last us a couple days, and nothing like some fresh loaves of bread baked up to go with the salads too. That's really enjoyable. So I just thought I'd go back through the last couple of weeks since I did the last update and let you see how this lettuce has been doing. And I'm going to say this is the best lettuce we have ever grown under lights. Now it did cost us, I figured, about $28. It's been about $14 for electric, and it cost me $14 for a bag of potting soil to get it started. So, I really feel that, that wasn't really a lot of money for the amount of lettuce that we've been getting and just the quality and the flavor of it and everything. So, I'm going to say from now on, definitely I'll be starting it earlier in the season and, enjoying it for longer. So next I've got to see if I can get on Baker Creek's website and order some seeds. I've been trying to get on there, and for a couple days there it was closed, it seemed like, and then I just couldn't get into it. So I want to get some more lettuce seeds ordered for this year, and I may try another supplier of seeds also that I just got a catalog from. And hopefully everybody is just staying nice and warm this time of the year and staying safe from the COVID and getting the vaccinations and stuff. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.